joy ride has turned fatal in Chandigarh. An 11-year-old has fallen from a toy train and he has now died. These are visuals on your screens right now of the joy ride aboard a toy train which turned fatal. A case has been filed against the toy train driver as well. A minor has died after the train's bogie overturned. These are the visuals just a few seconds before the tragedy struck. An 11-year-old boy has died after the toy train overturned. So clearly the visuals are there showing the toy train driver taking a very sharp turn.
चंडीगढ़ के इलांटे मॉल में एक बड़ा हादसा हुआ है। टॉय ट्रेन से गिरकर एक बच्चे की मौत हुई है। इस वक्त हम इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया पुलिस थाने में हैं और इस थाने के अंदर जो एक टॉय ट्रेन है वो खड़ी हुई है और इस टॉय ट्रेन के अंदर ही गिरकर जो एक बच्चा है जिसका नाम शाहबाज बताया जा रहा है 10 साल का, उसकी मौत हुई है। इस वक्त पुलिस ने इस टॉय ट्रेन को अपने कब्जे में ले लिया है और जो पिछला आप टॉय ट्रेन का पिछला हिस्सा देख रहे हैं वही उसी में वो बच्चा सवार था जिसमें उसकी मौत हुई है। आप देखिए ये जो हमको रोकने की कोशिश यहाँ पर की जा रही है चंडीगढ़ पुलिस के द्वारा। आप देखिए किस तरीके से जो टॉय ट्रेन है उसको थाने में इस वक्त रखा गया है और इसमें इस टॉय ट्रेन में 3 डब्बे हैं। जो पिछला डब्बा है सबसे आखिरी वाला, इसी के अंदर वो बच्चा बैठा हुआ था जिसकी मौत हुई है। बताया जा रहा है कि कल की ये घटना है। शाहबाज जो कि नवा शहर पंजाब का रहने वाला है, वो अपने माता पिता के साथ यहाँ पर आया था। बच्चों की इस वक्त छुट्टियां चल रही हैं और इलांटे मॉल में जब वो जॉय राइड के लिए इस टॉय ट्रेन में पहुंचा, इसी डब्बे में देखिए किस तरीके से खून के निशान आपको दिखाई देंगे। इसी ट्रेन के इसी डब्बे में बच्चा सवार था और इसी बताया जा रहा है कि जब ये ट्रेन तेज गति से चल रही थी अचानक ये डब्बा पलट गया और इस ट्रेन से गिरकर, इस डब्बे से गिरकर बच्चे की मौत हो गई है।
Right, my colleague Amandeep joins us on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Amandeep, it is very evident from the video there that the toy train driver took a very sharp turn, resulting in one of the last bogies to overturn, and of course this has now resulted in the death. Help us understand what's the action being taken right now.
Well, absolutely. The police have registered the FIR and also arrested the driver of the train. And in fact, now the investigation is on against the management also, that how come management is allowing and given the authority to such dangerous drivers to putting all the risk of the children on, putting the risk of the children. And even most importantly is that this incident took place late night on Saturday. And in fact, after the accident taken place, the 11-year-old boy Shehbaz Singh was taken to hospital and he was under the treatment till early morning on Sunday. But in the wee hours, he took his last breath and declared dead by the doctors. And even after that, the police had not registered the FIR immediately. And even when this news has come out and even when this media started reporting this story, so the police swung into the action and arrested the driver, and FIR has been registered against driver as well as the management of that mall also. And now the investigation is on. They are verifying the rules and regulations, and they are also verifying that either the driver and that management has completed all the authorities for running a toy train inside the mall, or there are some kind of loopholes. Yes.
Right, Amandeep, appreciate you joining us on the broadcast, getting us all those details there. An absolute tragedy that has struck, of course, a joy ride that has turned fatal in Chandigarh. We'll, of course, keep coming back to you for more information on that. But shift